be doing some nails today. Ooh, 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 ooh. What's up? So, as you guys can tell by the title, we're going to be doing like some little spring or summer, some vibes, okay? Some vibes. Some summertime nails, okay? Some might call it a 90s design. Some may call it like abstract, because all it really is lines and dots. Let's be real, okay? But yeah, so girl, y'all see what's on the video. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Asia. What's up? Welcome. In these type of videos, like, I feel like everything is very self-explanatory, so I don't really be talking to you guys about what's happening in the videos. I just be talking to you guys, like, because y'all are my homies, my triple OGs, my friends, my lovers, you know what I'm saying? So it's kind of just like, girl, you can see type shit. Okay, and just so you know, like, girl, so look, so if you're not new, if you are, whatever, like, basically, I started this channel and I was doing my daughter's nails. Okay, cool. In the process of that, I was like, I think that I'm going to start my own acrylic line, blah, 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 blah. So I found vendors. So a lot of these videos going forward is like acrylic that I bought from the vendors that I was going to actually like sell. I don't feel like doing that no more. I don't feel like having like, I don't want to have no overhead like that. So girl, I might be coming out with a vendor list, because baby, when I say I got some good vendors on there, I think I got like four, don't call me, but 4. And this one, and then like packaging, like it comes like, girl, I'm just a sucker for packaging. I don't know about you, but I will buy something simply for packaging. I don't know, like, I'm just weird like that. Okay, so like, anyways, we're filing, like I said, like, it's really, really self-explanatory. Girl, like, file like how you need to file, like, because I love a translucent. I love it. Actually, for real, comment down below if you know how to do this, but I love a good translucent cuticle. Love it down where I can see through that bit. Love it down. And can I get it? No. Because, like, okay, so look, so in my mind, I'm like, oh, okay, they just don't put a lot of, now, this is also a pop-off set. So I'm like, if I don't put a lot, then it's going to be easy to file down. Girl, when it comes down to a pop-off set, so this is filed and all that other stuff, right? But when it comes down to the pop-off set, it be like, like, you'd be like, oh shit, you didn't put no acrylic there, you didn't put no acrylic there. I'd be like, how the fuck these bitches be getting the see-through cuticle? Like, that bad boy be like, I love it. It's like my favorite aesthetic, and I can't get it. So to the girlies that be doing it, please stop gatekeeping and let me know, okay? Now, to my girlies, because I am definitely that girly that believes more is better, baby, please stop putting all that don't use that much gel polish, okay? Because I love a good shape. I love that bad boy down, like, you know what I'm saying? If it's stiletto, cut me. If it's a square, make it square, okay? And I like my nails skinny. I have fat fingers, so I call it coloring within the lines or whatever, which is like the meat by the cuticle, like the sidewalls. Like, I love seeing the meat, and like, I love seeing the nails sit within the meat or whatever. And I've noticed that sometimes I be heavy-handed with that gel, and I'm like, So on this time around, I was scraping a lot of gel polish off, and it's like, no, actually, a little bit goes a long way. You don't really have to have your brush soaking or dripping, because if you do, then you're gonna have the gel polish kind of like build up or mess with your shape. It's gonna be wonky looking, and it's like, you don't want that. You don't want it, might like bubble up or something. I don't know. You just don't want that. But make sure you wipe them sides, baby. Wipe them sides. And let me start by saying, like, this is kind of like out of my I don't say comfort zone, but out of my, like, so this time around I might start taking clients again, and it's like, okay, actually present the nails that you want to do. And it's like, the nails I want to do is like rhinestones, 3D flowers, just real bling bling, whatever. So my best friend's sister, she's my sister, but she be like, I want this. And so I was like, bitch. And so sometimes, how some people just can't see the vision, because she feel like I'm sorry, I'm like, it gets underneath my skin for people who like follow recipes and follow it to a T. Like, why can't you just finesse it, right? So she was talking about, oh, well, Asia, you don't have an airbrush machine. No, bitch, I have makeup brushes and a makeup palette. What do I need an airbrush machine? She's like, I'm like, my ass, bitch. Let me show you something, girl. When I say, my grandma used to tell me this a long time ago. Man, y'all know I miss that lady, but she used to tell me, improvise with what you got. Okay, so like that don't mean, because I feel like in this generation it means like, oh, I don't have an airbrush machine. Oh, this design needs an airbrush machine, so I gotta go get an airbrush. No, the fuck you don't. No, you don't. No, you do not. Okay, so here's the tip with this. So when you put your gel polish in, and you put your gel polish on, and then you put it in the UV light, it's warm. You know what I'm saying? So then you just take your brush, a makeup brush, and the eyeshadow palette, and just rub it on there. But I will say this, the warmer it is, the better pigment comes off. But I mean, it's still good. Like, it's still, like, y'all know how y'all's nail tech be like, it's still wet. So don't get it twisted. Like, you still gonna be able to transfer, but like, you can kind of see how like it's a little bit lighter, whatever the case may be. But girl, like, come on, like, and especially if you're doing a design on top, like, it can be a little bit like the seams may not blend as well. But like, baby, stop playing with me. Like, put something over top of it, like it, like, and then especially if you put. So after you're done doing all this, please put a top coat or matte. I put top coat. Some people do matte, whatever. But because you're going to see me put yellow in here. After I'm done putting all the pigment on here, I'm going to go with a top coat. I'll top coat this. Don't draw on top of this. Don't draw on it raw, baby. No. You got to go in there protected. Okay? Protect it. Protect that thing. You hear me? So you go with a top coat, and then you get to draw in. But like, come on, you're not about to sit here and tell me that don't look like I got an airbrush machine. Like, stop. You don't have to. Improvise, get creative. Like, let your brain see. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Like, maybe it's just we have the left side and the right side. So some people operate off of different sides, and nobody's better than the other. Sometimes it can be frustrating for both sides, but it's just like, oh my God. But it's, it's the same both ways. Girl. I don't know. I'm just, I really look. So you see the shine? That's a top coat, baby. That's a top coat. Yes. And look at it. It's giving very much Starburst, tie-dye. It's so cute. It's very summery. Like, you could even do palm trees on here if you really wanted to. Like, for real. Now, girl, I don't know what it is, but you know how sometimes you just gotta get shit started, and it's like a little like, I'm a little nervous. I could get a little crazy. What movie is that? I could get a little crazy. Yeah, but like, okay, so like, I wasn't getting these lines right. I was like, what the hell? So, you know what I'm saying? I had to change my little thing and how to do my little flicks. Girl, you gonna be mad at me, but my phone lost storage. Okay, so yeah, you didn't see the flicks, the dots, and you didn't see the rhinestones. But I know that if you're watching this type of video, you watch plenty of other videos, so I know you know how to do some lines and dots. Just flick your wrist and just do little dots. You know what I mean? And I know you know how to do some rhinestones. And then put your fingers back in there with a top coat. And now here, you caught up with me. You caught up. Now you know what we doing? We putting cuticle oil. Cuticle oil, okay? That means we're done. That means you did it, girl. You caught up with me and you done. I love that. Yes. See, isn't this such a cute summery design? Yes, I love it. I'm such a 90s girl, but like, I would never thought to do these colors together. Oh my gosh, look at these. I was capturing like little B-roll and little pictures and shit like that. So that's what that's here for. But we're basically kind of getting to the end of the video. So I want to say thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked it. Comment, tell me if you like the nails. Give me little ideas on nails I should do in the future. Okay, bye.